Hello and welcome back to SQA Higher Maths, Applying Differential Calculus. We are looking at rates of change. So to find the rate of change, good news is you've been doing the skills you need to do to find the rate of change for quite a while now. All you need to do is differentiate to find the rate of change, just a slightly different context. The majority of the time we're finding the gradient or finding the gradient of a point on a curve or finding a stationary point when we differentiate, but to find the rate of change, we just need to differentiate. So the derivative of a function describes its rate of change. This can be evaluated for specific values by substituting them into the derivative. So given f of x equals 2x to the power 5, find the rate of change of f when x equals 3. So we differentiate f of x to find f dash, and then we substitute in x equals 3. So that would be 10 multiplied by 3 to the power 4, which is 10 multiplied by 81, which is 810. Question 2, same idea, just slightly more difficult algebra. So given y equals, calculate the rate of change when x equals 8. So can we differentiate this at the moment? No, we can't. We can only differentiate when the x term is on the numerator. So we bring that up and make it x to the power negative 2/3. Then the power to the front, reduce the power by 1 as always. Remember, negative 2/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3 minus 3/3, which is negative 5/3 for the power. I'm going to have to substitute in x equals 8, so I'm going to rewrite this. So x to the negative 5/3 can move down to the bottom of the fraction, move down to the denominator. So negative 2 over 3x to the 5/3. Remember, guys, if we have fractional index, fractional power, x to the 5, and the 3 on the bottom tells us to do the cube root of x to the power 5. So dy dx of 8 is negative 2 over 3 multiplied by the cube root of 8 to the power 5. Well, the cube root of 8 is 2, so negative 2 over 3 times 2 to the 5. So that's negative 2 over 3 times 32. Negative 2 over 3 times 32 would be negative 2 over 96, which cancels to negative 1 over 48. So adding a bit of context, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. The velocity v of an object is defined as the rate of change of displacement s with respect to time t. So basically, if we want to find velocity, we need to differentiate displacement. Okay, so if we're moving from one point to another point, we need to do that by moving at a certain speed. Okay, so to find that speed, we can differentiate. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. So if we're moving at 20 miles per hour and we move to 30 miles per hour, then to do that, we need to accelerate. We need to accelerate, which will give the rate of change of the velocity. Okay, so a ball is thrown so that its displacement s after t seconds is given by s of t. So basically, we're throwing the ball up in the air and it's coming back down towards us. Find its velocity after 2 seconds. So differentiate and substitute in 2. So it'd be negative 8 units per second. Which, if we were asked for a context to that, assuming we're throwing the ball up in the air, it would be falling back towards Earth or falling back towards us at negative 8 units per second. Okay, so for rate of change, what do? We just differentiate, and then if we're given a certain value, we just substitute in and evaluate after that point.